Okay.
Okay.
Clever Clogs here
Yes.
has just discovered an entirely radical new approach to putting labels on rootstocks. Now, we might think of this as funny and sweet, and it is indeed, but it's the sort of little trick that we pick up through the years. How do you do that, Sian? What do?
I just put it.
Stick
Let me
the
start.
label
Let me
together
start.
beforehand.
Yeah. Let me just
There you
start
go.
it one up, and then you just line them up.
And then
'Cause I am not
you
good
slide
about
it over the
And you just
rootstock,
slide it over the rootstock.
rather than trying to get it
Correct.
wrapped around the rootstock in the first place. And the reason that's important is that when we put these labels on these rootstocks, if we don't get the labels to line up, we end up with a lot of sticky edges, and those sticky edges all stick to everything else, and everything sticks to everything else, and when we try to pull rootstocks out, everything tears and sticks, and it's a pain in the proverbial. So it's little things like this.
That.
The devil is in the details, the divine is found in the minute particulars, and this is a classic example. Thank you so very much.
You're
We're going
welcome.
to patent it and charge a fortune and make billions. Our APO is next year, isn't it? That's right.